Hello everybody, today I want to show something. This is I want for the 4th of July. I want to make a baby rib, back baby rib. And this I was buy today. And look how beautiful baby rib it's this. It's really nice. Now I prepared this 5 hours ago. I was put thyme, rosemary, garlic, black pepper, a hot pepper, and I put a little bit brandy together. Now this baby rib I was buy, and this is called Dutch Prime Food. It's on 235 West Avenue. Okay, my barbecue it's 550 degree. It's really hot. Now let's open up this. And this is my baby rib. Okay, now let's close this, and now that's it. We gotta wait now maybe 10 minutes, 12 minutes, and we gotta turn the other side. Okay, now I was put like maybe 12 or 13 minutes ago, and I want to find out since everything okay. I gotta turn the other way now, and let's see. Oh, look at this. It's really, really good. Ooh. You know why I do like this? Oh. Look how nice it look, right? It look really good. Now we leave it stay like this for a little while. And after maybe I'll put on the top over here, I close, and I'll leave it cook on the top like this. I don't want it to burn too much. Okay, now we gotta look at like maybe 15 minutes. We leave it like this after we check it again. Okay, let's look at my, oh, look like it look good. But the only thing what I gotta do, I gotta turn it the other way. Oh, look at this. Get me? Huh? Now, I don't want to keep no more on the top of the flame like this. It gets strong already. What I want to do, I want to put this rib now. Oh, look. It break. Okay, over here. Like this. Now, I want to tell everybody, when you cook a little bit over here on the bottom, okay, you see got a nice color, put on the top. And when you put on the top, you close, like this, and leave it stay. It cooks so beautiful on the top. You know, get no smell, everything be right, everything be good. Okay, let's see now. Oh, look at this. Look at the bubble of this over there. Look at this. I want to flip it again, Jeremy. Oh, it's hot, so hot. Okay. Okay, Jeremy. All right. This now, I want to go get a dish. We put on a dish, and we bring inside. Okay? Okay. Now, oh, look at this. Now you gotta take a picture, Jeremy. Look how beautiful the color look now. Look more red and more beautiful. Okay? All right, now let me. Okay. Okay, now let's take this. Oh. Whew. Okay. Let's cut. Whew, boy, it's hot. Look, it's cooked good, look. You see? Huh? Okay, now let me taste this. It's nice and juicy. It's really good. Look, you see the bones? It's really good. Tastes good. I hope somebody make this the baby back rib. It's really good. I hope somebody like. You can make this for the 4th of July. Yeah, I want to say to everybody, salute e chin chin. I hope you make this. And like I said, so somebody look at this, it's on Sunday, 11 o'clock, you can see this, the recipe. I hope everybody give it to me the thumb up, and please subscribe for me, cause I need this. Thank you very much. Salute, salute, chin chin. And I have a good time today with this rib over here. And I like to eat the rib like this. I know you know, knife, this and that. The best thing the rib they eat this one. You see the bones? It tastes much better like this. Good. Salute again. Chin chin. I'll see you next recipe. Thank you very much. And remember, I don't want to say it again. You know what you gotta do for me. Thank you. Salute. Okay?